Mastering L'Hopital's rule, a gateway to understanding limits. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson on a fascinating topic in the world of mathematics, especially in calculus, L'Hopital's rule. This rule is not just a mathematical formula. It's a powerful tool that helps us solve problems that seem unsolvable at first glance. It deals with a particular kind of limit, a situation where you're trying to find the value of a fraction, but both the numerator and the denominator are approaching zero or infinity. Let's embark on this journey together to understand and master L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule is a method in calculus used to evaluate limits of indeterminate forms. An indeterminate form arises when the limit of a function leads to an expression like 0 over 0 or infinity. This rule provides a technique to evaluate such limits easily and accurately. L'Hopital's rule states that if you have a limit that gives an indeterminate form, you can take the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the denominator separately, and then take the limit of that new fraction. L'Hopital's rule is applicable in specific scenarios. It's important to recognize these scenarios to apply the rule correctly. You can use this rule when 1. You're dealing with a limit that results in an indeterminate form like 0 over 0 or infinity. 2. Both the numerator and the denominator are differentiable near the point of interest. 3. After applying the rule, the resulting limit is easier to evaluate. Remember, L'Hopital's rule is a tool, not a magic wand. It's crucial to understand when and how to use it appropriately. Applying L'Hopital's rule involves a few clear steps. Let's break them down. 1. Verify the indeterminate form. Ensure that the limit you're dealing with results in an indeterminate form like 0 over 0 or infinity. 2. Differentiate separately. Take the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the denominator separately. 3. Take the new limit. Evaluate the limit of the new fraction formed after differentiation. 4. Repeat if necessary. If the new limit still gives an indeterminate form, you can apply L'Hopital's rule again. Let's solidify our understanding of L'Hopital's rule with some examples. We'll go through a couple of problems where we apply the rule step by step, explaining each part of the process. Practice is key to mastering L'Hopital's rule, so we'll also provide some exercises for you to try on your own. Thank you for joining me in exploring the intriguing world of L'Hopital's rule. I hope this lesson has shed light on how this powerful tool works and when it should be applied. Remember, like any aspect of learning, mastering L'Hopital's rule comes with practice and patience. Keep working through problems, and soon you'll find yourself tackling those tricky limits with confidence and ease. Happy calculating!